molecular structure, pero meron siyang additional na 2 oxygen doon sa dulo. So, i-share naman natin kung ano yung mga benefits ng biodiesel.
What are the benefits of biodiesel? There are 4 major benefits. For your engine, 2 is for your health and environment, 3rd is for the economy, and for your business. So it is good for your engine because it has higher fuel performance due to the higher cetane rating than diesel. It has less smoke, which means no more smoke belching violation or ticket. Less noise and vibration because it comes from oil. Provides substantial saving in maintenance and repair. This is well good for our pocket. Improves fuel economy due to better mileage, even up to 25% additional mileage. It cleans fuel and engine system of dirty diesel deposit. And no engine modification is required. This is good for our health and environment because it has zero sulfur emission. It has very low pollutants like carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, particulates, and other pollutants. It is also biodegradable, sustainable, and renewable. It is non-toxic, unlike diesel, which has a lot of benzene. It reduces global warming and climate change. For the economy, we have less importation of fossil oil if we use biodiesel. It's energized our agricultural industry and helps our cocoa farmers. For your business, this is good because it has huge GPR of 46.5%. GPR means gross profit return. And if you'll invest in regular franchise, you only get as high as 12%, which you get ROI after 2 years. Here, the return on investment is less than 5 days. Ban-free for all raw materials as specified by Biofuel Act of 2006, and tax-free for 7 years as per Renewable Energy Law of 2008. So this is good.